let's discuss opinion type of essay, that is in which you can find discuss both views and give your opinion. So this is the question, and in the last you will find this kind of statement also: discuss and give your opinion. So before proceeding it, let me introduce myself. I am Monica from IELTS 9. If you like, please subscribe and just give me thumb for my motivation. Okay, so now don't go away, please. I'm going to start how to do your writing task 2 in IELTS. Okay, so question is, some people say that fashion affects our lives in a negative way. However, others say that it has more if positive effects on our lives. Discuss and give your opinion. First of all, just try to find out what type of essay. Of course, this is discuss both the opinion they are giving. The other half of the percentage and half of the percentage are saying negative effects, and half of the percentage of people are saying positive effects. Okay, read it 3-4 times. I'm just focusing on this word. Please reread it 3-4 times. Sometimes what happens with students, why they got 5.5 or 6 in this kind of essay, in fact every kind of essay, I'm just talking about general. They don't understand the meaning of the question, actually what the examiner is asking you, and they just, when they are just writing it, they are just going opposite. I mean to say, like they will be starting with fashion, and while discussing the fashion, they will be going out of the way. So in that situation, they can also deduct your marks, your bands. Okay, so like what I was discussing, some people say that fashion this, and however others. Now in these types of questions, of course, like society has been divided into 2%, some people 50% this, 50% this. So it means this is a debatable topic, right? Debatable topic, debatable issue. So first thing you should always keep in mind, debatable issue. You can use this word into your introduction statement. See, whatever I am just trying to explain, don't think that it is we have to just write it in that way only. You feel free to be in your own style. I just want to say, I just want to express my opinions about these kinds of essay. So this was the topic. Now how we are going to plan an IELTS writing task 2. So let's discuss about that. Okay, so how to write and plan this writing task 2. Okay, so first, as I said, read the question statement thrice or 4 times. Don't say that in once you read the question you have understood it. No, please read it 3-4 times, so that it can fit in your mind. While writing, you will keep in mind that I have to go this way, not the other way. Second is, find out the type of essay. Yes, we have come to know that this is opinion essay, means discuss both views. And third one is, find out the main topic. Okay, so main topic, what was the main topic in that question? Let's go to the question again. Yes, this is the question. So please just pause the video and just try to find out the main topic here. Some people say that fashion affects our lives in a negative way. However, others say it has more positive. It means they are talking about fashion only. Fashion, it has more positive effects on our lives. So the main topic is fashion. Now fashion and subtopics are, it affects in a negative way and in a positive way. So means we have main fashion and then negative and then positive effects. And of course some people, other part of the society and other things on the other hand, and on the one hand, of course these connectors we are going to use in our writing part. Yes. So fashion is the main topic and subtopics are negative effects and positive effects. So it's important to take out main topic and subtopics. Okay. And then of course rules you must be remembering, like minimum it should be 20 to 50 words plus 40 minutes. It should be covered, it should be finished within 40 minutes. Okay, next, how to distribute these 40 minutes? Like, okay, let's discuss these things. 8 minutes, like according to me, it may be some people may be taking like 10 minutes or 8 minutes. So just I'm taking 8 minutes for planning, how to just everything in planning, 25 minutes for writing, and 7 minutes for proofreading. Okay, so here you can just change the ratio here, 10 minutes for planning, okay, 25 minutes for writing, planning and writing, okay, and left 5 minutes for proofreading. So now some students are like, just they want to read, they want to just write, but they don't do proofreading. One thing I want to tell here, that when you do your proofreading, you will find your mistakes, your errors, and then you can just correct it. So when you will be doing your proofreading, I am sure you can get one band score easily increase on your own self by just correcting yourself. So it's important to do proofreading at the end of the essay this time. So read your essay, proofreading here means read your essay, okay, at the end, and take out your errors, correct it, and of course you will get your one band increase. In bonus, it is free, you will get your one band free without checking these answer sheets by your examiner. You are going to increase yourself one band score. Now the next step is find out the important words from the question. Means first step was read the question statement thrice or 4 times, find out the type of essay, and then main topic, take out main topic we have taken out, and subtopics also, and distribute the 40 minutes. I have explained it to you. And then proofreading, I have given the like example how we can improve, how we can just increase one band score while doing proofreading. Okay, the next step is find out the important words from the question statement. Okay, question statement, let me show you the question statement again. Now this is the question statement. So here, yes, first important word, of course, for this word we need so many words. Okay, effects or also lives, main important words, fashion, negative way, negative effects and positive effects on our lives. You can say, if you want to just use another words, of course we will be using another word for these two words, and for some people and others we are going to use one first thought of school or second thought of school, or on the other hand, and other part of the society we can use these kinds of words for these people. Okay, so main important words I have taken out from here. Fashion, for fashion we can use latest fashion trends, old fashioned, or so many words you can use it for fashion. Okay, following latest fashion trends or old fashioned, or updation of dress styling, updation of fashion and all. You can use so many words, there are words, no limited words for word fashion. So negative, for negative effects what we can use, bad result or harmful effects or aftermath or adverse effects for these negative effects. You can use these for negative effects, you can use these words or any other words. If you know, feel free to use, please. Third is positive effects, for you can say positive, brings positivity in life, or beneficial impact for this word, positive effects. So effects, for effects we can use consequences or impacts. Okay, so these are the these were the main important words from the question statement. Now the main important part is how to plan your essay for the body para 1 and body para 2. See, this kind of scenario I have just highlighted it. Otherwise, in your exam, you don't be having so much time to just decorate this thing. So please don't imagine that thing. So please don't imagine that thing that you are going to decorate your essay. No, no, no. On the question paper and in fact side, on the side, you will be doing it very small, like it should not be like that. Of course, in your actual question paper, you will not get this kind of space for writing. In your answer sheets, you have to do it on your question paper if you want. So I have just do it elaborately. I have just done it elaborately because of I'm making videos, so that you people can understand it better in a better way. So body paragraph 1 and 2, for that what we are going to do. So in first paragraph I'm going to write positive things. So in body paragraph I am going to write positive effects. And here negative effects. Okay, so in first what I am going to write, so just brainstorm your things about the topic. So what positive effects, what positive impacts can come in a person when a person is following the trends. So according to me, it can bring a feeling of youthfulness and creativeness. See, when you are just wearing your clothes in your style, like some may be having choice of wearing shorts, or some may be having choice of like jeans, wearing jeans and Indian traditional suits, or anywhere in the world, everyone has different choices. Okay, so it can show your creativity. And second thing is, like, according to my personal opinion, like it can create more uh, so when employment generation, when we will be talking about, of course we can always give the example of Hollywood and Bollywood, fashion stylist and fashion, like fashion includes everything actually, clothing, dressing sense, your makeup and all. So when they are making movies, so they are hiring these people. So those people who can create, who can just create new dresses and good dresses according to the scenes and all, and makeup artist and all. So in paragraph 2 what I am going to write it here. So you can see here for negative points, of course, like this was creativity was second, and third was generation of employment. In body paragraph 2, always keep in mind which point you are supporting. Always give 2 or 3 points at least, and whatever you are just keeping it low profile for that opinion, give 2 points for that. It's otherwise you can give equal points for both the things. So negative is wastage of money. Of course, when someone is just spending so much money for this for these things, for bringing more clothes, for bringing more makeup techniques and all, so you are wasting your money and time. Of course, some are spending too much money, and they are under some roles because they want to show off. Actually, in everywhere in world nowadays, I don't know everywhere, but in my country it is everywhere show off culture. So I'm not discouraging, like I'm not demotivating them, but yes, nowadays it has become a trend that everybody is into show off culture. They want to show that they are also like a movie star, a celebrity. So we just wear these kinds of clothes, so we are into celebrity, this thing and all. So bad effects, it will give bad effects on our health also. So skin care products I have given the example for. So see, women especially, they use beauty products on their skin without thinking that it will just it will be having to look beautiful. They are just using products without thinking anything about their skin and all. So this was your planning body para 1 and 2. Let's discuss the format of essay. So this was our introduction. Okay, So next is how we are going to start it. This was your introduction. Okay, so body para 1, how we are going to do it. Okay, so I'm just talking about the format. To commence with the first notion, there are myriad things to be shared in its favor. Means we are going to start with the first notion. There are myriad things to be shared in its favor. First notion is your positive things. You want to say about positive things more. So it's all up to you. If you want to just discuss negative things, whatever is given in the question first, you can use it. You can just write it according to your style. So first and foremost means first point you will be explaining here. As a result, always give point and as a result, and then second and consequently. So overall, I mean to say, whatever the points you are giving, always give result. Means always give the next thing, what will happen about when a person is using first point, what will happen after this first point. Always give the result in a form of result and give example over here. Right. And what about the second paragraph? This was para 1 and now this is para 2. Okay, so how we are going to say? On the other hand, the second school of thought has its own positive effects, or any or the words you will be using it according to your knowledge and all. Hence first point, and hence you will be saying, and moreover means second point, and of course the result. Therefore always finish your body paras with result. Means therefore what will happen of all the things. So next point is, I mean to say, next para is about your own opinion. It's your personal this thing. If you want to make it a third paragraph, but it should but you should give your opinions within 2 or 3 sentences, not more than that, because you have to give your one sentence in conclusion also. So having discussed the arguments and counter arguments, I would like to infer that means your personal view will come here. There is an instance of, you can give example here or you can give example here. It's your wish. Okay, either here or here you can give, or you can just avoid giving example over here. Right. So what is the conclusion? So conclusion, what we can write about this conclusion? To conclude, I personally feel that, to conclude, or in conclusion, I personally feel that, again your point of view, however mindless pursuit of the same, just a minute, however mindless pursuit of the same can alter the way of life, therefore balance the act seems to be the right approach. So these are the just memorized lines. Just keep in mind, if you don't want to just do too much hard work, then you can just write it. If you are really keen to get 7+ band, then don't write these memorized things. I'm just telling you. So now let's go to the essay, how we will be just writing the essay with the help of these formats. Wow, this is my essay. So writing is like a little bit not very legible, I understand, but still please try to understand what I mean to say. So in the salad days of millennium, a society is divided into 2 groups almost equally regarding the notion that whether following the latest fashion trends have harmful consequences or bring positivity in our lives. So till here we are just following the format here, and then I have just added the points from the question statement. Okay, till here. So next, this was in format. Different people have distinct mindset. This essay would cast light on both the approaches before making a final note. So very easy to write all the essays with the help of these templates. So second paragraph, what we are going to write it for this. Yes, so I have, sorry for these mistakes and all, because I have written this essay with the pen, but here in your examination hall it should be with the pencil only, so that you can erase and correct your errors and all. So to commence with the first notion, there are myriad things to be shared in its favor. First and foremost, adoption of fashion gives a feeling of younger than actual age and gives energetic feelings. It means what they want to say here, that in its favor means like favor, yes, of course we are giving advantages, and adoption of fashion, it always gives feeling of younger than your actual age, means it gives a feeling of younger, youthful, and give energetic feeling inside. As a result, it fills our life with vibrant colors. Secondly, when people are, second point is here, when people are following fashion trends, other part of the society gets employment options. So here I forgot to give example of Hollywood and Bollywood, like when they are just making movies and all, they need all fashion, they need many people to just give good look, new fashion look for the actors. So as a result, it provides a better platform for creativity. Of course, creativity is there, of course, to explore their new ideas, such as designer boutiques in dressing, shoes, and in many other fields like leather products, I can say, are many more in trends to show off their creativity. Okay, this was your first paragraph, body paragraph. So second body, what will it come? So on the other hand, means this is para 2. So apart from introduction, body para 1 and body para 2. So on the other hand, of course, we are just giving a different point of view from the above. On the other hand, the second thought of school has its own harmful effects. Instead of writing negative effects, it's wastage of money, time, as well as effects, as well as efforts, when youngsters are trying to follow every Hollywood and Bollywood film stars. They are just promoting the bands, promoting the brands of companies who are paying them handsome money. Yes, of course, film actors are just wearing all the time the company's clothing and all, most of the time. I'm not saying they don't have money, they have enough money to buy everything, but all of the time brands are giving them products, like products and luggage bags, handbags, dresses, so that fan will follow them and they will buy the branded products and all. So hence people are unnecessarily devoting time for show off. Yes, I was explaining what is show off. The second part here means, I mean to say, second part, what does it mean? Second part here means, like second point, ignorance of health. In the rush of trending, in the rush means while the people are just blindly following the trends and all, sometimes we, or sometimes not we will not come here, we is not the word here, sometimes youngsters, you can say, or youngsters forget its implication on our health, no, on their health. So see, so this is a proofreading for me when I am just making this video. So I have just corrected my errors. Health, skin, for example, girls and ladies, okay, doesn't matter, girls and ladies are using what, use different cosmetics without knowing their possible adverse effects on their skin, on the skin, especially their faces. Okay, so this example, for example, instead of example you can use for instance. Okay, so having discussed, so yes, this was important to explain. So they have given, give your opinion, it's all up to you whether you want to make this paragraph or not, or it's better to give 2 sentences here, make another separate paragraph for your opinion. Having discussed about arguments and counter arguments, I would like to infer that we should not follow latest fashion trends blindly. Yes, full stop, I lost. So next, conclusion, what we can just do in conclusion here. To conclude, I personally feel that fashion brings happiness, positivity, and vitality in our life. Of course, this is true. However, mindless pursuit means following of the same can alter the way of life. So there should be a balance to the right approach. So please see, I have just put this statement on my own. Otherwise, all the words are here. The template only. So without any effort, you could just write. And here my words are. I have just counted it. 308 words are there. So that is enough. Not too big, not too. In fact, I have just written more than 250 words, and my maximum words are 308. Okay. So in the last, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.